Hello friends, welcome to Active Science classes. I hope you all are safe at home and following the government guidelines in this lockdown condition. So dear students, today I have an interesting activity for you that you can arrange from your home kitchen. You need a very simple material. This activity is natural indicators. By this activity you got to know about how a natural indicator works and how we can arrange a natural indicator from your home kitchen. So we're going to use this turmeric powder as a natural indicator, and I have two solutions over here. One of the solution is acid and the other one is base. For acid I took vinegar and for base I took soap solution. So what you all gonna do, you need to take a pinch of turmeric powder and add it one by one in both the solutions and just see the difference. So can you see any difference? The first solution is still yellow while the other one is turned into the red color. That means this solution is base and this solution is acid, because turmeric powder changes its color in basic medium. See, it is changing its color while it doesn't change its color in acidic medium. So friends, I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please share it with all your friends and family and keep yourself safe and stay at home. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.